Right. Coming to R12 version. In the R12 version, here R12.1.02, it is R12.2.7 is the latest version. 12.2.7 is the latest version. Now again, now Oracle is going to continuously releasing the new versions. Now Oracle Cloud, we can call it as a fusion. Now we can call it as a 13 R13 version. This is okay. It is a completely cloud. You can call it as a fusion, Oracle fusion. Now suppose if people want to move into direct fusion, is not possible. First of all, without knowing this prior Oracle 11i or R12 experience or knowledge, it's not possible into the cloud directly. Okay. Now these three versions are same. See, the business is same. The thing is they are going to adding into the new functionalities. I hope also following. Okay. Right. Now, right. Now these three versions. Now see, 11i version to R12 versions are already 11i version is available. Why you want to go for R12? Already R12 is using, but still why they want to go for cloud? See, continuously every product, not only the Oracle, you can take it any product. Continuously they are going to adding the new functionalities, new securities, and they are releasing the new versions. The similar way here also you will going to see the new functionalities. Depends on the older version to new versions.
Okay.
Right. Now coming into here, for this we are going to using Oracle 10G source language 10G. You have 9i 10G 11G also it is there, but 10G and 11G both versions we are going to using. Okay. Right. So now next going into type of roles. What type of roles are available in Oracle roles? So you can going to see Oracle, first one Oracle apps, technical, okay, technical people, Oracle apps, functional people, functional, Oracle apps, techno-functional, apps DBA people, and then techno-functional. Techno-functional. Right. Now, sir, who is going to working as a technical? These four are the main roles. So again, these roles is going to divided. I will going to teach that also. Now you can see technical means pure technical people. Completely they will going to doing coding.
Good.
Pure technical here. Sir, what type of work is coming, sir, in technical? Yes. So whatever it is required as a technically, so you will going to do it like creating the reports, developing the forms, so creating the PLSQL packages, procedures, writing SQL statements. Okay, whatever the technically we need, we have to do it technical stuff. So for technical, next coming into functional, here functional wise, we are going to doing all the setups, business functional setups. Understood. Suppose, sir, why they need the business functional setups? See, now if you want to do any process, see, Oracle is going to helping to the so many processes. So many process means procure to pay process as well as sales to order. Okay. Sales orders, order to cash, we are going to helping, as well as HRMS, it is going to helping, CRM, it is going to helping, okay, manufacturing, it is helping. These all so many process, so Oracle product is going to helping. Now, see, as a business wise, we people going to think about, see, suppose now how we people are going to doing some purchasing. Normally, if you go for um, any shop, or else if you go for any outlets and you will going to buy a product, right? See, that is for personally people are going to buying like that. Coming into the company wise, is it possible to do it in the similar way?
No, no.
No, it's not possible. The reason is we need a we need to each and everything in the tracking. Tracking
Mm,
means so you need to follow the as per company rules and regulations. You need to follow the process. So in that case, process level, suppose you want to do some buying for company purpose. Suppose some project is going to started on next month. For that project, you need a materials. What you need to do? You need to fulfill that material requirement before project is going to starting. Right.
mm,
So how to fulfill? You need to place the purchase orders. Before
mm,
going to place the purchase order, you need a setups, right?
mm,
See, suppose you want to do purchasing, what is required basically? See, you want to do some purchasing means who is going to purchasing? Buyer. Understood. Buyer
mm.
setup is required. What you are going to purchasing? Items. To whom you are going to purchasing? Suppliers.
Suppliers.
Understood. So
Mm,
these all setups should be available into the system. Then only you can able to do the process. Yes or no? Not only
okay.
this, just major things I'm telling.
Okay.
Without buyer setup, how we will going to buy? Simple logic. Suppose if you go for any outlet for outside Reliance Fresh or whatever it is, you are going to buy a product. Now suppose when you come into building, they are going to looking for the barcode and as well as that whatever the item you uh, take, that should be available in their system, otherwise they will not going to sell out, right?
Mm, yes.
Yes or no? We people are going to observe that same thing. If that
Mm,
item is not listed into their system, they will not going to sell that product. The reason is they need to show it into the record, the
mm,
system. In the similar way, if you coming into Oracle or SAP, all the setups is required. So these all the setups they are going to functional people are going to doing this. Understood?
okay. Yes.
Okay. Now coming into DBA. DBA, why DBA is required? See, you are going to implementing Oracle means you need a database server for that. Who is going
Mm,
to handling? DBA people are going to handling the database server. Sir, why you want server? Without server, you can't install the products.
mm,
So first we are going to maintaining the Oracle DB database server. That server is going to handling the DBA team. DBA people are going to doing their all DBA activities like how the database is running, any patches are required, cloning is required, performance, how performance is running, how concurrent managers are running. Understood? Is there any long running programs are there? Any performance down? So these all type of things is going to done by the DBA people. I
okay.
hope you people got some knowledge now. Now coming into techno-functional. Techno-functional is nothing but so who can able to do it both the things technically, functionally.
Mm,
See here it is going to 100% technical people. Understood? So these
yes.
people don't know any functional things. These people don't know any technical things. These people only they will go work it into the database related. Coming into functional, here it is 70% technical, 30% functional. Understood?
Mm,
So like this, if you are going to working, then you should be a techno functional like that.
mm,
So this is the way that is the reason we call it as a techno functional. Technical more, functional is less.
mm,
So, sir, why you want to go this way? You can go it in the top. Yes, you can go. But suppose if you go for any interviews or any work, any project, if you are moving, they will going to look at who can able to do in both the things.
mm,
Understood. Normally, how this business process is going to happen means Here it is. Now see the people. Business people will going to see first it is going to users. Users are going to interacting with business people, business team. Business team is going to interacting with functional team. Functional team is going to interacting with technical team. Got it?
Mm.
Here business team means stakeholders. Understood? It's the stakeholders. So this is the way it is going to working. Now, so what will happen? Now suppose here it is business users. Users means who is going to doing the business in there. Now suppose if you can going to think about pick one machinery is there. That machinery going to call it as, suppose you can take it as Skoda car. So while going to doing the manufacturing, at that time, what they will going to do? All the engineers they are going to knowing about Oracle product.
No.
No, they never know this. Okay, only what they will going to do? They are going to doing their field work. Understood.
Mm.
All engineers they are going to looking what are the products are required for car manufacturing, and in the shop floor. Shop floor is nothing but where they are going to doing the assembling all the things. So in the shop floor area, all engineers are going to working. What they will going to do? They are simply going to they are following their business. But now see for car manufacturing, what they need? They need so many items, right? See, if we want to assemble the car or manufacture the car means they need so many parts, right? Like seats, engine, mirrors, tires, whatever it is, all whatever it is required, all the parts are required. These
Mm.
parts, how they will going to collect it, and how they are going to knowing how many parts are required, how many parts are not available, and how to know that? Any idea? So for this, they are going to using into the Oracle, they are going to generating the reports. Understood?
Mm.
So in the reports, so that who will going to take care? Business people will going to take care. Business people are users are interacting to the business. They are telling about next production is going to starting next 6 months. Please try to arrange all the required stocks. Okay. Now business people are going to interacting with the Oracle application. These people will only knows the business. Understood? Even these people also don't know about much more on Oracle product. Okay, they
Okay.
are going to interacting with the functional people. Functional people are going to understanding the business and how much they need and what we need to do. They will going to do, and they are going to interacting with the technical people. Technical people will going to prepare the reports, technical SQL query preparing and reminding what is the stuff is required. They will going to do it. Understood? This is the flow it is going to happening. Now coming into, see, if you are a techno-functional person, you no need to depend more into the functional guy.
Okay.
Understood?
Mm.
If you know functionally some concepts, so definitely you no need to depend on more into functional. If you are not depending on the functional person, what will happen? What is the use? See, for you it is use. The reason is you no need to going to depend some other person, so you can able to do it work independently. That's is going to helping to you. But what is the use of organization?
Wanted to hire.
Higher they will going to do the see, suppose now one more small example. Some report is there, work order report. Now work order report. Now they are going to allocate it for completely 50 hours for this. 50
Mm.
hours SLA. Okay. 50 hours is the they are giving for the 50 hours to finish this work order report. 50 hours not for technical. Understood? They will
Okay.
going to give it for 50 hours functional as well as the technical.
Hmm.
So now what will happen? Functional guy already took it 20 hours.
Hmm.
For functional guy, 20 hours he took it. Okay. Remaining, what will happen? Technical. How many technical they will going to give it for you? 20 hours for you. Understood? Technical.
Hmm.
Now you are not aware on functional anything. You are going to depending on to the functional guy on each and everything. What will happen? It's time taking. Understood?
Hmm.
So the 20 hours it is increasing into 25 hours. Remaining 10 hours they are going to giving for testing. 10 hours of testing and delivery. Testing and delivery they are going to giving. Now what will happen? So whenever the technical people are not aware on any functional things, they are going to depending into the functional guy. While depending, it will take lot of time. Understood? So now time is going to increasing this. If the time is increasing, client will going to pay that money? No, they never pay.
No.
Understood? Without proper reason, they will not going to pay. Now for
Hmm.
50 hours, we people, both the people, technical and functional, we both the people are took into around 60 or 70 hours. We people took it. The 20 hours of work amount we are no one will going to pay. It's loss for company. Got it? So
Hmm.
that is the reason people are going to looking for techno-functional things. I hope you people are clear about the roles.
Cool.
Clear?
Hmm. Yes.
Any questions until?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next moving into type of projects. Type of projects. We have implementation projects. Implementation projects. Okay. Customization, customizations, and then upgrade projects. Okay. And then supporting projects. Okay. So supporting projects are there. Now, implementation projects means complete from scratch onwards. Who are going to implementing Oracle in the first time? We can call it as an implementation project. So suppose now some business, any client you can take it. Like suppose Skoda cars only, they are going to implementing Oracle. So initially they are going to using different system from SAP to ERP or some other software system to ERP. At that time we can call it as a implementation projects. So many things we need to do in the starting implementation projects. We need to identify all the areas and then we'll going to start it. While during the classes I will going to help this, but keep on mind implementation project means who are going to implementing first time Oracle. We can call it as the implementation projects. Customization projects. Customization project means already Oracle is going to helping to the all the products like purchasing or inventory or order management. Everything Oracle is going to helping. Beyond that Oracle functionality, any client is going to asking for their customized support. We are going to doing the customizations. Sir, what type of customization, sir? Now simply see where you are going to creating the purchase orders. You are going to creating the purchase orders in the Oracle product itself. But nowadays e-commerce is going to more, right? So now client is asking for I want to create a purchase rise the orders in the Amazon. Can you please integrate with the Amazon website or our own customized application to the Oracle ERP? Yes, we need to do the customization for that. So we have to go build the some Java based application. There they can able to see all the products. They will going to select their products and place the order. Automatically we want to move that data into the Oracle ERP system. Upgrade projects. Upgrade means suppose Oracle already client is using 11i version. From 11i to R12 version. Suppose now client already using 11i, they want to move into R12. It's a upgrade project. Clear? So now supporting projects. Supporting means once the complete implementation process is over, then we are going to doing the supporting projects. Supporting project means so that day-to-day activities are more. See, users are going to facing any issues, we need to do the supporting for that. Clear? So any questions type of projects? Are you clear? Right. Moving on to the next one. See, we people going to get a work in any one of them. Understood. You should be become into the techno functional. You will going to get any type of project work. So keep on mind when you people are going to joining the project itself. You people have to understand what type of project that is. Implementation work or customization work or upgrade work or supporting work. Okay. Right. Now, next, moving on to the next. Here now this is the real work now. RISE components, RISE WS components. Okay. Now R stands for reports. So reports. You people have to work on .rd of reports. This is called as a D2K reports. Okay. XML publisher reports. Okay. So and then BI publisher reports. BI publisher reports. Right. Now RDF reports means it's a D2K reports. Developer toolkit reports. So you're going to develop a report using the RDF as well. XML publisher means it's a latest version. Then BI publisher is the business intelligence reports. So you will going to do this all type of reports. Now you can do the report using PLSQL procedures. Understood? You can develop the report using PLSQL procedures. Okay. So this type of reports you will going to see. It's very important as a techno functional or a technical guy. Must and should these are required. I stands for interfaces. Now interface is nothing but a moving the data from the one system to another system. Okay, you have inbound interface and outbound interface. Inbound interface as well as outbound interface. Outbound interface. What is inbound interface or what is outbound interface? First of all, interface is nothing but a moving the data from one system to another system. Okay. Now you can going to call it as a inbound interface means moving the data from this one organization. See, suppose now source system, destination system. Now Oracle is going to implementing now. Implementation project is coming. Suppose some a client is there. Now source system to destination system. You can going to move the data into destination system. Okay, destination system. Source system to destination system, you will going to move it. Now source system means suppose any other application like some SAP ERP coming into Oracle ERP. So how you will going to move the data from Oracle ERP to the SAP ERP to Oracle ERP? Now, why you want to move the data first of all? See, suppose client is going to using the third party application. I don't want to call this SAP ERP third party ERP, party third party application. Okay, it is moving into ERP. Now, suppose now any client they are going to using into suppose SAP ERP system in last 10 years. Now, if people going to think about last 10 years, how much data it will come. Understood? Like purchase orders, sales orders, customers, suppliers, prices, these all setups, these all the data. Now customers means, suppose last 10 years means lakhs of customers are coming. Are you going to lose that data? No, you need to move into old system to new system. So in that time, you're going to use the interfaces. Understood? Now, see, now interface is nothing but now suppose uh, someone is going to, now you can take it to suppose more retail. India, throughout India, they have almost into 130 plus outlets, stores. By end of the day, they want to know what is the status of today business. See how much sale is happened, how much profit it is coming or loss is coming. They want to know. How they will going to know as a CEO? He want to know every day. How they will going to know that? Anytime you people think about that. See, did each and every store is sending the status mails to the CEO? No, right? It's not possible. Is it possible to check 130 mails every day? No, right? So what will happen? They are going to using into the ERP applications where they will going to generate the report automatically. The report is going to generated by the complete legacy data, and it is going to sending to the CEO. He will open that simply that you will going to know that what is the status of that particular day. Okay. In the similar way, outbound interface means extracting the data from destination to the third party application. Why you want to extract it? Tell me. Now here we are sending the data to ERP system. Here we are going to extracting the data into ERP system. Now, see, suppose every month we want to give the salaries to the employees. How we will going to give? Is it somebody is going to sitting and login into their current account and going to transferring? No, right? If they can going to transfer only one person, two people, but how they will going to send lakhs of people? Now, if you people going to take about big organization TCS, you can see almost it's 4 lakh employees. How they will going to
Mm.
transfer the salary to the 4 lakhs people at a time they want to transfer? Got it, right? So what they will going to do, they will
Yes.
going to divide the organization into regions. Understood? Regions means now South Asia specific, North Asia, okay, as well as Middle East, Europe, and America, as well as Australia. Okay, these all regions they will going to divide and region wise. Now again, if you take into Indian region, so Indian region also we have almost 1 lakh employees. How we will going to transfer? For this, you are going to using HRMS, Human Resource Management System application. Here you will going to extracting all the employee payment related information and you are sending the data to the bank system. Understood? What will happen? You need to extract the data into Oracle ERP system and the same data you are sending to the bank system. What is the bank system? Which bank system? What is the company having current account? Company having current accounts, right? In the current account means suppose Citibank, they are going to having the current account or HSBC. Now, what they will going to do, this all the data, the HSBC bank, they are going to processing into their application level. Automatically, the amount is going to debited into the company current account and it is moving into its credit to the each and every employee. Got it? So how this is very critical? It's very critical. Like this way, it is going to happen. Now next is going to C, rise, right? RI is over. C means conversions. Conversions. Conversion is a only one-time activity. Conversion also we are going to moving the data from source to destination. It's a one-time activity. See, suppose now you want to move the. This is the regular activity. Interface is nothing but a regular activity.
Mm.
Sir, what is the difference between one-time activity and regular activity? One-time activity means only you are going to running the program only one time. One time, sir. See now, suppose you have legacy data into the some other system. So you want to move that data. So once you are moving the data, there is no need to do anything after that. Understood? Now,
Mm.
I interface is nothing but a regular activity. Here I said here it is see now. Suppose if you go for the customizations, I said what I said for customization as per client requirement, third party application is there. Now what they are going to doing in Amazon, they are going to doing some purchasing every day, not
Mm.
for single person, not for the single location. The entire all the locations, so many buyers they are going to placing the orders. How the data is moving from the third party application to the ERP system? Is someone is going to sitting and moving? No. What we need to do? We need to this interface program scheduling will going to do. We're going to schedule for every 4 hours. Understood? Automatically within these 4 hours, what is the data is there in that system? It is picking and moving into ERP system. Got it? So that is now conversions also we are going to doing conversion only one time activity here. See this complete whatever you want to do here, you need a technical stuff. Without technical stuff, you can't do anything. E stands for extensions. Extension is nothing but a forms, Oracle forms, Oracle forms you are going to developing. Okay, and then next you're going to W stands for workflows. Workflows also required. Sir, what is the use of workflows? Workflows, you will going to automate the process. Understood? You can going to automate the process. Suppose you are going to apply the leave. Now you applied the leave. What will happen? Automatically, the notification went to is your manager. He can able to approve and reject it. Yeah, just that for small example. See, workflow is automate the process. So in Oracle, we are using for heavy complex scenarios. Understood? Now the purchase order is created. See, after that purchase order should have to approve. Who will going to approve? Buyer. Buyer, are you going to give the buyer to approve the access for 1 million rupees purchase order or $1 million purchase order? Is it possible? No. We have limits. Understood? Buyer can able to approve it $10,000. His manager can approve 50,000. His manager can 1 lakh. His manager can going to 5 lakhs, then 10 lakhs until 10 crores. Company top CEO financial head, he can able to do it into $1 million purchase order. Understood? 10 lakhs or 10 crores. Like that it is going to happening. So who will take care about this complete process? How system is knowing that what is the value and who should have to approve this through the workflow only. Clear? Okay. Next is going to yes. Yes is nothing but a self scripting. Self scripting is nothing but it's a what type of programming here. I hope you people are aware on this. This we are going to doing for moving the objects. Now see suppose you are going to working on, we have different type of database environments we have. Okay, like see suppose non-production production, keep on mind this non-production and as well as production. Sir, what do you mean by this production non-production? See, non-production means development we will going to do, testing we will going to do here. Production level only users can able to use this. Clear?
Mm.
See, all the applications are there. Now, see, suppose if you can take it in the banking system, end user application is different, admin user is different, and employees login is different. Understood? As a end user, what you can able to do? You can able to log in into your account. either see whatever is the Axis Bank or ICICI, whatever it is, you can able to log in your account, you can able to do it only your transactions. Understood? Now if you go into bank person, the bank person can able to see all the accounts information also. Got it? Again, if you go into bank level, bank manager, he can able to do it, he can able to do it more than the employees. So that is the access level. In the similar way, here also we have production instance, non-production instances. Here you will going to where you will going to develop in non-production instances, you will develop and you will move into productions. Production means who is going to users are going to using that. Clear? So now suppose you are going to developing 5 reports. How did you going to move into from development instance to the production instance? So using shell scriptings. Okay, right. This is complete technical stuff. Rise doubles components. If you know these concepts, you will going to do it anything in the Oracle Labs level. Next, coming into ERP. So here it is the ERP system. So here you are going to see in ERP, you will going to see P2P process, procure to pay, procure to pay. You can call it as a P2P cycle. Okay. In the P2P cycle, what are the modules you will going to see? PO, okay, PO, AP, inventory, inventory, as well as AP and GL. So PO means purchase order, INV means inventory, AP means account payables, GL means general ledger. See, procure to pay means how to raise the requisition, how to approve the requisition, how to create a quotation, how to create a request for quotation, how to create a purchase order, receipts, and make the payment to the suppliers and transfer to the GL. So these are all process we have to do it. Okay, it comes under here. You will going to know the system wise all the applications as well as the tables, giants, everything you're going to see here. And order to cash, order to cash. This is going to here you will going to OM, order management, AR, account receivables, general ledger, GL. So these modules will going to cover. And then next it is going to drop shipment. Drop shipment is nothing but, see, you place the order to Amazon. Okay, if they don't have a stock, what they will going to do? They will going to request to the some suppliers. Supplier directly will ship to you. That is called as a drop shipment. OM, AR, okay, PO, and then AP, and then GL. These all modules are affected here. And then we have one more back to back order process. Back order process. So here also it will going to these complete modules are affected. Okay. Here shipping is not required. Understood? No need the shipping. Let's shipping is not required. Here it is shipping is required. Is required. Okay. So these are the main flows you will going to see, and you will going to see the AOL concepts like how to create profiles, value sets, flex fields. Is all it will come. AOL concepts. So you can see the profiles, flex fields, okay, value sets, concurrent programs. These all will come. Okay. Next, multi-R concepts. Multi-R concepts is nothing but here. See how to create a business group. See, suppose now you are going to starting a business. What are the setups are required? If you want to do any business, first priority setup is what? Location. Understood? Business group, how to create a business groups. Okay. How to create a ledger sets. Ledger sets is nothing but a, see, currency calendar and chart of accounts, and then sub ledger accounting. Sir, why you want currency? See, suppose your business is running into multiple countries. So Indian currency is different as well as US currency is different. Indian calendar is different, US calendar is different. Indian, the financial system is different and US financial system is different. So that is the reason we need to do all these setups. Okay. And then legal entity. Legal entity is nothing but means we are going to make the taxes to the government, right? All the legal entities are different. Operating unit. So you will going to divide the business into different operating units. Inventory organization. Inventory organizations also you have to maintain into different. And then sub inventories. Like this way, we are going to dividing the things in business into like this way. Okay. So you will going to get it into how to prepare a technical documents, how to prepare technical docs. We can call it as a technical docs means MD70. MD70 documents. Okay. And how to prepare testing documents T20. Okay. How to prepare migration docs. Okay. Migration documents. And then this you will going to get every day into recorded videos. Understood? We'll share you the recorded videos, and then materials. Okay, and then 3 months server access. Okay, see, these all will going to give server access means you can able to log in into directly into. This is the remote desktop. So you will going to connect into directly here. So you can able to enter your username. I will going to give the username passwords. You can log in the username password. This is complete setup. So this is called as a remote server access. So you can able to see here report developer, form developer, Toad, where you are going to doing the coding, Toad. Okay. So this is Toad. You will going to do. You can develop the reports into report developer. Sorry, we are going to dealing with R12 version that we are going to see. We are going to dealing with R12 12.2.3 version we are doing, and then it will going to take complete 40 to 50 hours of sessions. Understood? So this you will going to connect into from anywhere you can connect from any mission. So this is called report builder, form builder, Toad, WinSP. WinSP means moving the objects from local mission to server. Understood? Okay. Next, you will going to see this is called as a e-business suite. This is Oracle apps. Now you can going to log in into application. You can perform into whatever the actions, all things you will going to perform. You will going to see each and everything here. See, suppose you will going to start into the order to cash or procure to pay cycle. Completely, I will going to show it to you here, each and every application. how we are going to creating purchase order, and how to, what are the tables are affected, and how to create a reports, each and everything we're going to see. Got it?
Hmm.
So this is the one. So if you want, you can going to see my previous classes. So how we are going to sharing, I will going to share each and every day the code. One second. So this, let me see, suppose I'm going to dealing into Oracle P2P, P2P process or B2P process, whatever it is. Now P2P process, see now, we're going to explain in the diagrammatically first, and then we'll going to execute into system. In the system also, you will going to see into the complete steps, understood? So then you will going to perform into the system. See, suppose now let's come into uh, see now. You will going to see the complete the flow procure to pay. Let's come into procure to pay. See now, see now P2P this. See now. See, this is the procure to pay. First, what we will going to do? We will going to do the diagrammatic. What is the diagrammatic? How? And next, what are the steps is required? You need to follow all the steps. Then you will going to what are the tables are affected here. This complete you will going to see. Understood? So here you can see all the softwares. You can, this is going to working 24/7. So you can going to connect it into any time. You can perform your all the actions. So almost I done. So if it is anything missing, I will going to add it. No issues on that. So uh, any questions, please let me know now.